In this class we will see how to start a sketch, we will know its main features and learn how to use some sketch commands. Come on, let's go. Sketch allows you to add or remove material to form the solid and is the basis for modeling in SolidWorks. It can be created on a plane or face, being called 2D sketch, or using the 3 reference axes, being called 3D sketch. In this course we will only use 2D sketches. Sketches are features, stored in Feature Manager, can be edited at any time and can be hidden when used in other features. We have started a new part file and see that we have the Sketch toolbar available. We can find other sketch tools in the Tools menu. We click on Sketch and note that the Property Manager informs us that we must select a plan to draw the sketch. The 3 standard plans are displayed prominently in the modeling area. We click on the front plane and note that the visualization becomes normal to the screen automatically, to make it easier to create the sketch. With the help of the line tool, we will start modeling. Clicking on the tool, note that the mouse cursor becomes a pencil and in the Property Manager some options are displayed. When passing the mouse through the origin, see that a dot in orange color is shown, as well as a yellow box with a symbology. This box indicates the automatic geometric relationship that will be applied to the entity, in this example, the coincidence relationship. We click on the orange point and moving the mouse we have the extension of the line that we can create by clicking with the mouse, as well as possible geometric relations. We click to the right side, keeping the horizontal ratio shown in the yellow box. See that we now have the orientation lines shown in yellow, to assist in modeling. We continue to click and draw the lines, without worrying about the size, as further when scaling they will be updated correctly. We form a rectangle and note that 2 lines are in black color, and the other 2 in blue. We can move the entities in blue, changing the geometry, but the black ones don't, because they're completely defined. Note that in the status bar we have 2 messages, under defined informs us that the sketch is not fully defined, and editing sketch 1 tells us what we're doing, that is, editing the sketch feature 1. To fully define the sketch, we will add the dimensionals using the Smart Dimension tool. We click on the tool and the mouse cursor changes. We click on the shown line and move the mouse. We click to position the dimension and a box opens, where we enter its value. See that the entity is updated according to the size we entered. We scale the other line. Alright. Note that in the status bar we have the message fully defined, stating that the sketch is fully defined. We confirm the sketch through the tab, coming out of its edition. We conclude this lesson, where we know the main features of sketches, which are very important because they serve as the basis when applying several SolidWorks commands.